Welcome viewer. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11, 10 error code 0xc0000022. First method is type regedit in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Click and expand HKey local machine, click and expand software, click and expand Microsoft, click and expand Windows NT. Click and expand current version, click and expand software protection platform. Open skip rearm, change value data to 1. Second method is type control panel in Windows search bar, click control panel. Click turn Windows features on or off. Check legacy components, check direct play. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.